Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be putting a wig to the color test. I'm going to dye a wig to see how light I can lift a color. And what's special about this is that this is one of the beauty supply wigs that I bought last year from Sam's Beauty Supply. This is the natural mommy wig in natural black. And the reason I'm dyeing this is because it says it's unprocessed natural hair and natural virgin Remy human hair. I think on the inside it said it could be dyed and colored. So it's natural hair, chemical free, tangle free, long lasting, live cuticle. This hair can be dyed, bleached, and permed. And on the back side of the paper, it has bleach and dye natural hair instructions. So we'll see if this actually works. So stay tuned and we'll put this hair to the test to see if this mommy wig can actually dye and lift color from this hair. I'm a little skeptical about any type of beauty supply or boxed hair that comes out of a box in the package. So we'll see how it turns out. So this is the hair in its natural state, natural color, straight out of the box. It's like, it says it's a natural black, but it's kind of like it has some, it's a little brown. So I'm going to bleach it blonde to see if it does lift the color to be as light. Let me see the bleaching color results. Okay, so the original color is natural black, and it has the bleaching time, the volume for the bleach that you have. I had 40 developer, but I used it all, so I have 20 developer. Right, okay, so I have the 20 volume developer. This color, the brown color, is if you use 10. The chestnut brown is if you use 20. Right there. And this is if you use 30. And this is if you use 40. The timing on each of those is 20 minutes. So, since I don't have 40 developer, I have 20 developer. But I also have, let me see, I have regular BW powder, and then I also have this packet. I think okay, I'm back, guys. I just went to the hair store. I am determined to use 40 developer. So I went and picked up a small bottle of 40 developer, and I'm going to use this with the BW powder instead of the 20 developer and this lightening powder. We're going to strive for platinum blonde today. So we'll see how this comes out. Stay tuned, and I'll be right back. I'm going to set up and get started on this. So this is the final look. As you can see, I dyed it red because the platinum blonde did not work out. I realized that all of this hair is not 100% human hair. There is a little bit of synthetic hair in there and a little bit of processed human hair probably in there as well. But I could see a few black strands when I dyed it that are still black. But the majority of it though is human hair that has not been processed, because as you can see, I successfully dyed it red. Although I didn't get it to lift as bright as I wanted with the platinum blonde, it turned out to be kind of like a bare brown, and that was not the color I was going for. So I ultimately dyed it red and I like it so far. I finished trimming the sides before my battery died, so I continued to trim the sides after that, and this is the final look for you guys, and I guess I like it. So let me know what you guys think down below, and as always, thank you all for watching and stay tuned for the next video.